Pump up a yellow 260 balloon about 3/4 of the way. Make a 3-finger bubble. Pull the nozzle to the other side of the bubble and twist it into the twist you just made. Then tuck the nozzle in to prevent the twist from coming undone. Make a 1-finger bubble. Then make another bubble about half the size of a 1-finger bubble. Make another 1/2-finger bubble. Then make another 1-finger bubble. This is what it should look like so far. Twist the 4 bubbles together. These will be the giraffe's horns. Next, make a 2-finger bubble and then follow it up with another 2-finger bubble. Twist those bubbles together. These will be the giraffe's ears. Adjust them so they are behind the horns. So far, you should have a head, horns, and 2 ears. Squeeze the remainder of the balloon a little to distribute the air, then make an 8-finger bubble. This will be the giraffe's neck. Squeeze the balloon again, then make a 4-finger bubble. Follow that up with another 4-finger bubble, and make sure it's the same size as the first one. These will be the giraffe's front legs. Twist them together. If some of the balloon is still deflated at this point, continue to squeeze the balloon throughout the next few steps. Then make another 4-finger bubble for the body. Make 2 more 4-finger bubbles for the back legs. But make sure you leave a little bit of room for a tail. The tail only needs to be a 1-finger bubble. Then pump up an orange 160 balloon for the giraffe's mane. You only need to pump this up about halfway. Wrap the nozzle of the balloon around the giraffe's ears. Start twisting some tiny 1/2-finger bubbles. Stop when you are about 1 finger away from the bottom of his neck. Pinch the end of the last bubble you made and then cut off the end of the balloon. Tie the end in a knot. Then wrap the tail of the balloon around the giraffe's neck and through its legs. Draw on a face and add some definition to the giraffe's ears using a black Sharpie. Use a brown or black Sharpie to draw the giraffe's spots. If you have extra time, you can color the spots in, otherwise just leave them as is. In order to make this giraffe balloon, you will need a pump, a yellow 260 balloon, an orange 160 balloon, a Sharpie, either brown or black, and a pair of scissors. If you'd like to get the balloons or the pump on Amazon, I will leave links in the description below.